Back today marked the second day of testimony in the trial of Ryan Duke. He is the man accused of killing Tara Grinstead.
All day we heard from the first investigators at Grinstead's home after she didn't show up to work on a Monday in October of 2005. Ashlyn Webb is following the trial. She joins us from the newsroom with today's developments.
Yes, maybe the biggest takeaway from court today was about the evidence found at Tara Grinstead's home back in 2005, or rather the evidence investigators could not find. In October 2005, on the day Tara Grinstead was reported missing, GBI Special Agent Jeff Rossler and Ocilla Police Officer Bill Bars say they looked at all the doors and windows in her home.
There is no signs of forced entry, and that due to there could have been a struggle or could not have been a struggle, but there's no way for me to tell.
This is important because Ryan Duke is charged with burglary, and he reportedly confessed that he was digging through Grinstead's purse in her home right before she was murdered. Rossler said they saw a candle knocked over on its side and a lampshade tilted. Rossler says he also collected a comforter with a light amount of blood on it. Investigators could not determine whether it was connected to Grinstead's death. Investigators testified that friends of Grinstead were in and out of the home while officers were working the scene. They included Dana Harper, the stepmom of one of Grinstead's ex-boyfriends, who testified Monday.
Did you touch anything else in the house when you were there?
Yes.
Okay. Any idea sitting here what you may have touched when you were there?
The answering machine on her phone.
Rossler also said he found no sign that anyone had cleaned up the crime scene.
That's correct. And by that, I've worked scenes before in my past that people have used bleach and all types of chemicals and mops and really bloody scenes, and they've made efforts to try and clean those up. And that's pretty easy to see.
Investigators also searched Grinstead's car. GBI agent Franklin Weathersby testified he collected 117 swabs from her car in December 2005, nearly 2 months after she vanished. The problem was the car sat unsupervised at her home for at least part of that time. Frank, Lori, back to you.
Thank you, Ashlyn. That means during that time, investigators did not know who had been in and out of the car.
Another surprising piece of information, her next-door neighbor had Tara Grinstead's car detailed sometime after she disappeared, making it difficult for investigators to collect any evidence inside.